Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.